everyone, quantlabs.net. Brian here from quantlabs.net. What you're looking at is Visual Studio and Visual Basic. Never mind that. We're just here to talk about code walkthroughs, not Visual Basic or Visual Studio. Just looks cool, I guess. Alright, so what is going to be moving down or coming down the pipes for quantlabs.net premium members? I've just acquired some popular R scripts for algorithms, very powerful algorithms for estimating and forecasting for things like equity and forex. Woohoo! Essentially, these are important scripts, and you know, one of the difficulties that I've come across, and I'm sure many of you have, is how do you bridge the gap between looking at algorithms and being able to code them up. People that do it are highly paid and highly regarded and are seriously in demand, especially if they're at a PhD level or a CFA level. So for me, from a coding background, I'm finding, looking at trading or algorithms is important, but I have an iPad. I've got an app that does the ability or has the ability to visually convert a algorithm, symbolic, something like a latex, and convert it into a coding algorithm, be it whatever language it is. So I'm going to be doing that, but this is specifically to R being free. I've blabbed about it enough in past videos, but it can easily be applied to virtually every language. C++, MATLAB, C#, Java, whatever, Python. The logic's the same. It's just multiplication and looping with ifs, decisions. So simple. So there's no dependency on any packages or MATLAB toolboxes. It's pure algorithms, pure math. And these walkthroughs will easily guide you, well, I shouldn't say easily, but they will guide you on the workflow on how to build an algorithm and how to build the different matrices and all the different elements that make up that algorithm. Some of the algorithms that I will be showing, I have promised stochastic volatility, I could say that properly, thank you, which is a very difficult algorithm. That one will take numerous videos. There's different scenarios for volatility, and that's going to be a big section, and I'm only stressing volatility now because with the way the markets are, with a lot of volatility but little return, using intraday strategies, especially high frequency, there's lots of money to be made there, but one of the ways is through volatility. Bloomberg, I've read in Bloomberg Markets magazine that it is now the new way to look at, to profit from. So volatility is a big one for me, so that will be one of the algorithms that I'll be presenting. Other ones include Garch as well as auto-regressive. These are pretty popular ways to forecast. So coming back to our walkthroughs, these are basically going to be going line by line in the code in a video that I record and showing you how that how that algorithm is built. It could take a couple of hours to run through it. These are not simple little indicators or any kind of little bitty code that you'll find in a MetaTrader. Some of these algorithms are very complex, and from end to end I'll be going through them. So these will be a key ingredient to building algorithms and strategies for trading. For all those that are new to this or coming out of, I'm finding a lot of traders have been laid off. Unfortunately, this is a new direction of trading. All this business about prop shops, and this is how it's going to be. It's not going to be about discretionary trading anymore. It's not going to be done manually. There's so many algorithms out there right now that are fighting for profit. So this is the new direction. We all know that. So automated trading is here to stay, and it's going to get more and more complicated. So we got to move with the times, I guess. Also, for a lot of those that are students and all new to this, welcome to the world of programming. It's not easy just because you come out of a math school or some kind of scientific, like a physics. Programming is a totally different world. Not only that, but you also have to be really slick in terms of operating systems, especially when it comes down to something like a C++. And now that I'm looking at R and what it can deliver is pretty incredible and pretty compelling to stick with both R and C++. I'm looking at a C++ trading system that's open source, but it's pretty complex. But once you start reading the research papers that go behind this this language, understanding threading is very critical to reduce latency, which will optimize your algorithm for profitable opportunities. So these are complex processes, and understanding both on the algorithm side, the programming side, and also the call it operating system tweaking, or even if you decide to go into things like FPGA or CUDA. That's a whole nother world I'm fairly new with, but I wouldn't be surprised I'll be going down that path. Not only that, but it doesn't stop there for your viewing pleasure. There's also things like clustering, as well as clustering and redundancy, to be able to run things like Monte Carlo simulations, which is another presentation I'll be putting together with another R script that does a fair bit of Monte Carlo. So these are areas that I'll be moving into. This is definitely hardcore HFT, high frequency trading, and this is how we'll be doing it with the coding walkthroughs. You'll be able to see line by line each algorithm, as well as what is built in each matrix, variable, whatever array from MATLAB, or sorry, not MATLAB, R. And it's a good way to present. So sit back. I don't want to say relax, but you'll see where things move towards in coming weeks and months with the Quant Labs premium section, as we start getting into algorithms and strategies for trading and quant purposes.